on me. Promise that you'll never be alone.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video I'll be showing you viewers a very effective remedy that helps to basically remove sunburns and acne on the face using lemon juice and tomato, mixing these two ingredients together, placing it in your tray and placing it in your fridge. Applying it on your skin every morning will help removal of sunburns within a week to 2, and this is very effective remedy which I have tried. Last year I went to St. Lucia on holidays and I came back with sunburns like really badly. I've never gotten sunburns in my life, but that was the first, and this remedy helped remove these sunburns and it peeled off the dead skin off my face and brought this new skin that was really nice and glowy. And since then I've been sticking to this remedy. So lemon juice and tomato juice mixed into ice cubes. Okay, exposure to the sun, harsh chemicals and pollution can damage our skin, we all know that, and cause spots that might be difficult to get rid of. You might have tried many creams, lotions to lighten them, but your efforts seem to be going in vain. If you're on the outlook for a natural remedy to do away these dark spots and sunburns without drying up your face, try lemon juice and tomato juice. Would you like to know more? Yes, I do. This is the research I conducted because I wanted to read to you viewers so that you know that it's also on the net. I'm not just saying it. Okay, so our skin produces a pigment called melanin that gives it color. Under certain circumstances, this pigment is produced in excess, causing pigmentation and dark spots. We all know about hyperpigmentation, which is commonly amongst Africans and Asians, so which causes pigmentation and dark spots. The most common cause for this overproduction is exposure to harmful sunlight, hormonal imbalance, vitamin/mineral deficiency, gastrointestinal disorders, and stress can also lead to the formation of dark spots. While beauticians and cosmetologists suggest many products and treatments to get rid of these dark spots and sunburns, it's always better to opt for a natural remedy. We all know natural remedies because these creams are also mixed with chemicals that can help produce more hyperpigmentation. Especially some of these creams can be mixed with hydroquinone and mercury, which is very harmful to the skin. But most beauticians or cosmetologists would not tell you. You find out the cream has hydroquinone in it or mercury in it, and you go back into the sun and basically your skin gets worse. So the amazing thing about home remedies is that they do not cause any side effects and are inexpensive. Lemon juice and tomato juice, such natural ingredients, can be used alone and in combination with other ingredients to successfully lighten your dark spots. Here's why lemon juice works well for spot removal. Lemon juice has the same bleaching properties as the OTC product. Its natural acidity makes it work as an organic bleaching agent, which with prolonged use can slowly reduce dark brown spots. It works by breaking down the melanin pigmentation, also curbing its overproduction. Lemon lightens and brightens the complexion and acts as an astringent and removes excess oil and dirt from the skin. This astringent effect tones the skin. It's also an antiseptic agent. So viewers, there is so many research out there if you want to know about lemon juice and tomato, mixing it into ice cubes and applying it on your face every morning, or your problem area. It could be your knuckles, it could be your wherever you're experiencing your hyperpigmentation, or wherever you're experiencing your dark spots, sunburns, whatever problems you've got. It really helps. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'll see you viewers in my next. Have a lovely evening, morning, afternoon, whichever country you're from. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and be happy.